Hello guys, this is Adam and welcome to Adam Lab. I guess we are changing the name maybe of the channel to Adam Lab. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments, but I think I am going to do that with the next 24 hours. But aside from that, Godot. Some of you have asked about Godot and I did download it and have tested it. And it's ready on the M1 machine. Happy news, it's working just fine. It's working just fine and there is no issues with it. And actually we can go ahead and take a look right now. So, as you can see, this is basically Godot engine, and this is a game or a project that has been provided to me by one of you guys, so thank you for that. And what we will do, we will just hit run or play. Then it would build the scene, and here we have the game. And then after we have the game, we can simply go into the game and then start playing and moving around, and everything else is good as it should. There is no delay. I am doing as I should, playing and enjoying the game. I don't know what's the goal from playing this game, honestly, and what am I supposed to do, or what I am supposed to hit, or where I am supposed to go. But the main idea is that if you have a project and you want to build a project and you want to see how it's doing, it's running just fine. And then we can go to the activity monitor and see the RAM. It's actually not using so much RAM. It's only using 5 GB out of the 8, which is good. So which means there is some RAM left for us to use, and the swap is 0. And as long as the swap is 0, then mostly we are in a good place, because the swap between the SSD and then the hard, that usually will be hurting your device, and I am not a fan of that. Some people say, oh, the swap is okay, and some others say not. It's really your call by the end, but for me, I don't want my SSD to be destroyed because all my information on it, and I would not like to take the risk for it to be destroyed, and then after that, what would happen is, oh, my SSD is actually destroyed and I lost everything. So I don't think that is something should be done. But aside from that, it's only taking 5 GB. When we go to the CPU is around 80% idle. And again, the M1 chip is really powerful. You don't have to worry about the CPU as much as you have to worry about the RAM. But when it comes to the graphic, as you can see right here in the top, the graphic for the M1 is being used fully, which means if you are building a game through Godot engine, you are using the whole graphic power that comes with the M1 chip, and that's what it requires. You paid for something and you are using it, so that is good. It's not like lagging, but it's using everything, and that is good. So this is everything I have for the Godot engine. It works, there is no issues with it. Go ahead, download it, and if you want to buy the M1 chip in order just to build games with Godot, you are good to go. Again, wait for me tomorrow. Probably I will be making Flutter video tomorrow or something else, and I want to talk about the RAM for the 16 and the 8 GB, because the video that I have I did took down because some people were attacking Max Tech, and I don't want to drama. The goal was not to attack them, but just to point out that they made a mistake. But aside from that, I don't want to get into a whole drama, so I just took it down. And what I will do, I will just do another test and do another thing and just publish it on the channel, and then there will be 2 subjects. One about the storage when it comes to the M1 chips devices, and then we will do another one in order to talk about the RAM. Plus, for the most part, I will be returning this Mac Mini, and I will get a 16 GB MacBook Air. And honestly, I think the MacBook Air will transfer to be my main machine or my secondary machine after my 16-inch MacBook Pro, because I really want a device that is powerful and rose gold. That's what I want right now. Anyhow, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the like and everything, and I will see you next time. Gentlemen, you have a good night.